This one is loud, honestly. Abuja boys give them big. I mean, to see now. This one is Delta boys. Let's see how. What happened to the other leg? What did they do to him? What did they do to him? Delta boys are very terrible, honestly. His eyes are seen a lot last night. Hello, boys. He was even brought in with treasure. Hi.
Mona, wait!
Huh?
What happened? But I see what I did just now. My body don't stand up and my money never expire.
It's better to run than to wait for nonsense.
Mama, boss, what did they do for you? Oh. Nah, you be the market. Hey, what are you doing here now? Which of the babe? What are you doing here? Can't get you can't let my wife come out now. You tell the kids what are you doing here? You just sleep with my wife. I'm sorry, they sleep with your wife now. She tell me say she be widow now. She not tell me. God forbid, I never die. Now what did she tell me?
You have gone.
For me. Now they tell them. I don't know. Let's go inside. Degrees, and my wife now your wife boy tell me say she na widow now. I should go be widow. You see her husband for years say she be widow. Now my wife you dey see the coincidence so you sleep with my wife now. I think say I sleep with your wife now. She tell me go inside the.
It should be vice versa. British should allow him knack Abi because
what about my wife?
He has already nagged this man's wife.
You tell me say you don't marry. No be tell me say you don't marry. Your luck now. I see my own. You not see your own. I dey not dey call you. I not do my wife like that. Okay.
Don't know Rookie will never agree.
Me must follow your wife enter that place. What? Let's go. My wife enter that place and I dey. Olushi, let's go inside. Olushi.
That's just the best. Better to run something. See the way Rookie is pursuing him. Wow. Ikebe super. Give me that banka. What a good man of God he has automatically changed himself to.
Somebody say protection.
Protection of God.
Come on your knees and let me pray for you. Get down on your knees and let me pray for you.
Is the confidence for me?
Come on. Go down on your knees and let me pray for you. Holy Jesus! Jesus!
What is that?
Jesus!
What is that?
Your condom has fallen. Condom. From your Bible. I said it. It is King Solomon. By this time, he's having new concubines. He doesn't want to impregnate them. Somebody.
You have not seen anything.
I know. What's your friend? Do you think my friend? What's the problem? Huh? Hey, you come back.
Where is he going
I'm
to?
talking to you. I'm talking to your soul. Hi! See, you know something? Just come. Come into him right. I want to slap him. Hey, see. See, why is your soul sweating right now? Oh! So you want to fight me?
No, he doesn't want to fight.
See, please. I'm not talking to you. We are not talking.
Hello, Philip. You know, say federal government they dash people 2,000 naira. No tell me say you never receive your own 2,000 naira.
Since when?
I don't receive my own now.
Are you serious?
Although they started to dash people yesterday, but now today I received my own just this morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
No worry, you go soon. They dash Nelson, they dash Osao. So I know they dash Osao now. So I don't know why you never receive your own. You understand? As I talk to you like this, at the market, I won't buy a mango and I won't buy 3,000. Everything don't cost. You know, say the way things cost. Now my government say they won't help people. So everything don't cost. I won't buy mango for 3,000 naira. You understand? So now 2,000 naira. Now I not to be in my account. As government just credit me 2,000 naira. Pam. That's in my wrong. Come market.
Are you sure you're telling the truth?
So my God, they tell me saying 3,000. So I don't know what I feel help me with.
I never believe this guy.
Yes, now.
Wow.
Yes, now the dash or Saho.
Osao come my house this morning. Wait, make I ask her.
Huh? Oh, sound your house there. Oh, sound the day house. Oh, house. Oh, sound the
Motel mission aborted.
Sound they try your house.
This time it's the mission aborted. Failed mission. Oh my god. This one is funny, bros.
Babe, stop. Let's look for any nearby bush and do this. Any place at all. This is moving me.
Nigeria is not
Funny bros, mind
Nigeria is not for Charlie.
never agree.
Nigeria is not for good luck. Nigeria is not for
Where is it going? What does he want to see?
Okay, stay like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. Go!
You don't keep personal. I don't Jimmy again today. Move them, move.
Now tell me to read everything. Jesus. How is he going to explain what happened to him and who will believe him? All eyes on him already from heaven, so he's going to hellfire straight. This one is Wasiu trying to be among one of the court members, so this one not go easy at all for anybody.
Finish. I'll bring this man come here. I'll carry you come.
You don't go buy bread.
Go buy bread. I'll be like, what's motivate you to enter here?
See all those boys, they be cultists too. See them.
You don't know them? They be cultists too.
Yes.
But I like their cut. Their cut. You know if you did that cut, me won't beat you. Now food that they share for them.
Have you ever seen a court where they
I
share
don't want
food?
join. If not for don't join. I hate cultism.
I swear, cultism no be better thing. Like I go join cult because of food.
Cause they play. They play.
What's make you want belong? What's carry come?
Good
Normally,
question.
I'm a very rugged person. Ask of me from my family house.
You be mumu.
I'm a very rugged boy. I dey kill at least 3 people per day.
Yeah, you got it deliver.
Bro, normally I be won't start my cult, but funds be no day. Now why I think I start from the roots? That's why I'm here.
Yes. Go bring that wire. Move floor. This guy may belong.
Boy, wait.
Ready to belong.
You don't chow.
Boss, I never chop since like 2 days.
When I start now, person will never chop food. Now I want chop beating.
Sorry,
When I
boss.
start now,
Sorry, boss.
when I go find food for him now.
Apa, go locate cha. Asa.
What a good cause. If this is how court operates, everybody will belong because we want to eat. The hardship is too much in the country already. Wazuna is happy as this.
Why are you running?
You and your boys go kill my family because I talk so I don't do court again.
Oh,
Capone. So now they kill people for here. I think it's only food now they chop now.
You think so? Now play with the play for you?
You think say they wise?
You not gonna move? What you in the look?
and they even called him because of lies. Wasiu never want to respect himself. They've already gone. They've gone. Face all the problems yourself.
They no put spoon on a get spoon.
Oh shit.
Now wow.
Oh. Come, I just don't want to laugh. Let's watch this one. Let's watch this one.
Lack of sleep that time.
This one is actually from Cool Prince, the stingy guy.
Why did we stop?
Who mentioned hospital? Relax.
Relax.
In my mouth. What are you doing outside now?
What was this?
It's root and herbs.
Root and herbs for who?
For you now.
Who will let you all this? I'm not a goat.
You have to be a good to take root and herbs.
Don't start
Oh, wait.
this time
You actually
again.
go and waste money in hospital when I have these things in my farmland. Oh, wait now. Johnny, listen to me. What do you know? See, this is called abacha. You take it twice a day. This is called bubu. You take it 2 times in the evening. And this is called tini. You take it 4 times, depending on how your mind they do you. And this one
What is it
So I'm not
called?
join. Oh.
Hey.
Wait. I go pluck another one.
Let's go.
Calm down, Nami.
Emma. I think send a Jehovah Witness. Then don't come before I talk. Say I know they are weak.
I said to do that.
How you doing?
Papa school. You know say you like football very well.
Hannah, I be Chelsea fans.
I think you bring this just come for you.
Okay, which one be that one?
Showmax don't talk say with just 2,900 naira, if you watch live Premier League football, highlights, behind the scene, interviews for super sports with just small chicken and money.
You mean now? Yes, sir. But the problem now be say you know say me I don't get TV. Anytime where I want watch ball, anything where concern Chelsea. Now my neighbor house, there the other guy, Nasboi. Now in house I dey go watch ball.
No, now plan where if you watch with your phone for any quality of your choice.
Now the same thing now. You know the phone where me I dey use now. Now back phone where we say if I carry call my wife, you don't dey okay.
Nasboi.
Okay. This information no be say I don't need them.
No.
2,900 naira. It's very cheap compared to the one where Maxwell they do. You understand? But about this information where you they give me now, I go prefer make you carry and go show Max.
I swear to do that.
It's okay.
You are a bad guy.
Papa school. I don't tell you finish now.
Okay. Come chop now.
Oh.
Come chop now, greeting. Okay. You go talk thank you.
Nasboi is actually very hilarious. Look at the way
Smooth and we say $1 now $879.5 million. Everything Nigeria hardship. Let's net Gary. This net Gary. This week is for enjoyment. I want to enjoy well. 1, 2, No. Selena Gomez don't post you. You say what? Selena Gomez don't post you. Selena Gomez don't post you. She likes my love.
Oh, you are cute. Aboki.
Okay.
Correct aboki gives someone the money I don't use for enjoyment.
Na lie. Yes, na lie. Wait, Oga na lie. Na lie na. Take. Go. Kumba.
What have you gained? I'm asking you guys.
Yes.
So why are you here?
But this one where water full your body, you just bath.
About which time you want to do that sweat to? It's working the girls.
I swear,
The period is actually very hot right now. Like the season,
Okay.
dry season.
I want me to promote my music.
It's a very hot
Get
time.
one hit, what I drop.
For this heat.
I swear, so I want me the girls help me promote the song.
Okay, no, now we the run am now.
Yes. Anything where the girls say man do, I go do.
See, this house I go do, I go enter 1 million views.
Sure.
Under 1 hour. Every 1 hour, you go to get 1 million views.
I swear.
We go do am, even Land of the Gods, they go to play am for there.
Sure. I want me the stream and back to back.
Hey, no issue. The gods also say, you go buy us AC, 2 horsepower, with 2 fans. Why you laugh now?
I don't understand now. You need AC for this hot weather. Me, I get AC where they tell me I give you AC.
No, I don't think the gods go use promote your song, go make it the heat.
Like, who is going to use this AC? Is it the girls?
Forget them.
The
My
girls?
son, is it like your heat? Don't drop out for this heat, oh.
Just saw this one more fan. You get?
No, my brother.
Oh, this
Don't say my fan.
exactly what I would do. Take fan. Fan yourself. I don't have money for
Okay,
you.
big man.
I can't buy you AC.
Buy only fan.
Come on, go. Yes, the police officer.
You the first that you put me for police work. No problem.
Hello, honey? Oga wants to talk to you. Come and take the call.
I don't want to follow anybody.
Oga wants to talk to you.
I don't want to follow anybody talk.
Hello, this man is disrespecting
KS is not even like afraid of anybody. He's already frustrated right now in this police
And you know what you
business.
dey talk. If you say the motor not get paper, the motor go reach station. Then the oga when you dey call, so make the oga come station. They make us tell me say, I tell me you drive motor without paper. No problem.
Do something about this man. You're
Don't talk to me. I will kill you by collecting you.
Madam, thank you.
Just imagine how
Oga, come on, where they go, I beg.
I would make it my life duty.
When
to make
SK
a
is
dismissal
angry,
from that
doesn't care who you
Come
are.
from my front. Let me start corruption. If you want to address corruption, then you start from the top.
Don't worry.
When I drive,
You don't even know who you are talking with. I will make sure they dismiss you. I've already videoed that.
If you like, you are feeling good, you like, you are boring, you are feeling
If you want to record me now. If you want to record me now. Police officer wanted to pay 35,000.
Okay.
They pay me 35,000.
We shall see. Oh, driver, move this car.
If I want to do corruption, I go do corruption. Not consign you.
We shall see.
Let me scratch my ear.
Record me, man. You put out for the internet.
I said move this car.
Then they dismiss me, come out for police work. I go enter
Driver,
rubber.
move this car.
No problem. Let's go.
Don't worry.
Yeah, Officer Jodo. God bless you.
What are these people really up to?
Mama, now we your favorite couple.
The one where they owe me, don't pay me. No, the one where they owe me, you not don't pay me.
Mama, now small time, God go do one.
Which kind God go do one? God no go fit do one for you again.
Ah.
This place will actually do one for you. Come out from my shop now.
This is very sad. This is very sad. And every boy is there for you guys.
My bro, I heard everything that happened. Don't worry, just wait for me here. I'll be right back.
Really, nigga?
Really, nigga? His work is to help. His work is to do anything to help. And right now he went to call Pablo.
Mama! I agree to bros.
His what?
That guy, so no be you, I don't agree you. No, no be you. Yeah, that one where he won't kiss. So I greet you, bros. Hey! Mama, you get talks.
Which one the talks?
Mama talking now.
Oh my God. Talking.
Because one do like Big J, you get Big J now the Big J.
What's be Big J?
Big J love now.
I get jollof.
But you go there strictly on the sea, sha.
What's be C?
Mama credit now because you go add them in crates.
I know they sell credit, come off for here.
You want to say credit?
I know they sell credit, come off for here.
Oh. Pablo no go lie here this one.
Wait, come back. Hey, I no want Pablo wahala. I beg anything where you want, I go put that for you.
Arrange in crates. Big.
I don't was actually happy right now in this before.
No, this one a person now.
What's going on here?
This one use the guy. No, this one do the. See, this man now. He do the do's for them now. He do the do's. I go meow. I go move. You see my bed. Like, I'm here.
Jesus! Don't worry, eh? This one is okay for us, eh? He do the do's.
Now why we the corner is actually normal.
He always turn up.
They asked you to do something and you didn't even complete it. Now because it involves food. This is how you're fooling yourself.
I'm a single mom.
Okay, I can help with that.
Continue. I have 5 children.
What did you say?
I have 5 children.
5?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you want to get a single mother, you have to have enough money to take care of her. You have to have money like a big boy. Because now you become a stepdad.
That's true.
To have money now, locate Sports Tycoon, aka ST Analysis. It's a short Telegram channel that gives you show odds. Even if you don't know how to pick odds or stick, they will teach you on the channel. Yes. So to do
this one you're carrying guess. Let's see how it's going to go. Let's see how it's going
Can
to
you
go for
work
you.
with that?
No, I can't.
Hey! Where did they want all these girls?
Girl, I know you want it. You know.
Tell the girl that it can't.
Hey!
It's good. You have to take this guy is an logo papa. You even came with the bike.
This is your car?
Yeah, this is one of my cars.
What do you do?
I'm into oil and gas.
Okay.
You know, see it now, yeah, back shop and
Hey! What are you doing here? I thought you don't want us to date.
It's a prank.
It's a prank when you've already seen car. Why would you say it's a prank? Very hungry man.
Oh yeah, they follow you talk. Okay, I dey call you, they do anyhow. Bros, no face. Okay, come everything with your body. I don't understand. I said, come on your phone. This out. Bros, bless my phone no day. Share me your phone, man. Flash my phone.
Are you mad? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Are you
And he actually gives him his phone. What a good and kind armed robber.
You have 1 minute remaining. Dial *606# to borrow airtime.
Bros, you no get credit.
They play.
Armed robber went broke.
Ma borrow.
You never see anything. No, your let devil, your use you.
Your phone don't die.
My phone dies out.
And you not get power bank. I no get. And this my phone, you really need them more.
Shut up.
You know waiting. Come.
Wait, what am I watching? Like, what is going on here? Look at the way the man is.
See, pardon my manners. I don't even really ask you your name. My name na Chooks. My name na Balaji. Nice to meet you, Chooks. You go to check your phone or maybe for notify.
This young boy may end up going mad.
The armed robber is actually afraid for his phone to get lost. You're trying to steal somebody. And now you're protecting yours. Fortunately, everybody's fetching water. I need to want to fetch water. I hope you have ice to keep your water, don't you? This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. You don't have eyes. You can't see in the afternoon. And you are dragging queue.
I don't understand. You collect face. You can't come here and speak for next. Bless you know well, Abi. I beg, come up for your job. You know what to face. You move. I don't understand. You know who I am? Who are you? You know who I am? What I'll become? Who I will be? You lock my tab. Nobody can try with me. You know who I am? They lock my tab. You the craze. I go show you who I be.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Blessing the craze. I mean, they locked up for. You don't know who I am. When my bucket, I beg, make a fetch it to me.
You've already thrown your bucket away. Come on.
Nonsense girl.
This woman will kill me. Throw your bucket away.
What is this?
Then you pick another basket. That one is basket. And you wanted it to fill with water. How is it possible? How is it possible for Shotili? You don't have eyes. You know you can't see well. Instead of you to ask questions, this someone to help you come and fetch the water. You said no. You went there and start fighting for you as if you know what you want to do there.
What else do you
when
want?
you get to your turn now, voila, boss.
And also,
I beg. This comment are actually doing their best to make us smile. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, share this video, share it all your social media friends and family members.
Another
and so on.
Which is even more exciting is that when you place a bet on a match with goalless football, and if the first half of the goalless match is a draw,
the next comment is actually going to like make you laugh. You just have to keep watching because I specially prepared this
else? Name it.
For you guys.
Guys,
for
you
you
find my
guys.
secret offers if you register through the link and open promo.
Hey, this is not going to be
Take
fun.
care, guys. Bye.
Settle down and watch this.
Jesus! Bro, what's up? Bro, the money don't finally drop. See, bro, like this now. Me want to cast down like this. Go short there down. Bro, no nah. Why you want go cast down? You want cast yourself? Which time is I cast myself? You know see that my guy that we collect, we come buy lasers. Like this now. Me I don't go buy GLK. Me chicken no say I dey okay. Go use the GLK they pack all the guests for area. My advice for you be say this money we collect so don't let anybody know see collect money. Keep everything low key. You get you fair buy land, start to rebuild your whole house small. You pack all your money, pack and put for the house. No buy clothes, no buy anything. You dey live a low life. If you post congrats like this, everywhere you post, you get don't let people buy for your body. That your guys who buy motor. If you never get land, you put reason on them.
The advice is really true, but let's see how it's going to end. It's not easy to be on low. Let's see how people react towards your low-key lives.
See this sweet girl. I'm gonna follow her. I come here to follow her. Vanga, what's up? La Kaka. I go by the name Star Prince. What's the name?
You mean I'm making money and you're going by the name Star Prince?
What? You know who they talk to?
Come on there.
Chike, star prince, I be.
Sharpo.
How be this babe?
I be the follow the touch, you just the dummy.
Alpha babe, Opi, let me be your capman for today.
Bro, I the follow talk now.
Now like this, what they follow man talk? You don't get sense. No go also.
Don't go be chicken. You know what happened just now? Chicken, you carry motor, you carry the game where they follow the talk, carry come because I not get motor.
No reason. Immediately you post your conga for your house, all the old guys will rush follow you like a star.
See, bro, that money when I take the build the house, it don't finish.
No, that money will come. Make we go.
What is it, man?
Who is this one? The great self. Thank God, say your branch my store. That's also credit. Now they buy. Credit now make and they go. If I tell you how much this useless boy home.
Now this kind one I did cheap. From today, no let her enter your store.
You don't know if he may take pass. Why may don't buy motor finish for?
Oh, it's not fair. I'm the guy things now. He's trying, but nobody knows.
So this body builder is there.
Jesus. Wait oh. This everybody does the builder so.
He actually went to post it.
Wait you not go build us finish before you post congrats.
Oh my God.
Master.
He's tired of.
Shut up. I also close this one. Wait till they see your line. You gonna post congrats for us you never be finished. Why you cast our secrets now? See bro, you don't understand. What's happen? Make people still know say I did try.
You got to the point now.
Yeah, maybe we still don't know you dey try.
Oh, you think I won't find out, Abby? You think I... Don't touch me. Kumba, after everything we've been through, after everything, what does she have that I don't have? What does she have that I don't have?
I didn't fear anything.
Yeah!
Give me a chance. I'm not cheap when you
Ikuku.
What does she have that I don't have?
Ikuku.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget that.
People will get tired and she start laughing.
Auntie, I beg, go. Hey, relationship I used 2 years take build, then one use breast scatter am. I beg, go. Now because of God, though. Ah, thank you, I beg.
enjoy your weekend.
What does she have that? I don't have. Next time you see first before you ask that question.
Good morning, bros.
Alpha.
I did.
Yesterday.
My sister not there and she goes to her boyfriend.
Your sister get boyfriend?
My sister get boyfriend since now.
Why she not tell me?
I beg who you be?
Jesus. I beg sister bestie.
My sister not tell me say she get bestie.
Hey! You don't remember me?
I don't remember you, bros.
Look my face where you don't know me.
Bros, I say I don't remember you and my sister know they follow people who get dread.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Make I remind you.
Okay.
You remember 2016?
Chai!
When I called you for your sister? I can't see you. I can't see why you not go school. You can't tell me see the pursue because of school fees.
Wait, so. Why did that bros when they say sponsor my secondary school?
Nah me.
Bros, maybe they buy Bololo before now.
I did buy Bololo before, but Bololo don't hard. Now why somebody carry dread? Dread self course now you don't know. After you know go university again.
My sister boyfriend the processor.
You mean now?
Yes now.
Blast! Okay, if your sister come tell her say I can find her here.
Okay, bros.
Yeah.
Alpha bros. What's be your name in case my sister come out and say person can look for her? Okay.
My name is Yansh. As a 2016 I do that thing for idiot scholarship, everything. They call me Yansh money. When people they come take I know I like. You tell your sister,
Okay now. If she call out and say take her come look for her.
No wahala. If she don't remember, so I say Yansh money come look for her.
No, if she call
I will.
Okay, no wahala.
Alpha bros. No find me something.
Nothing really in my pocket now. Only my hand in my pocket too.
Okay.
For business expectation, if every year good, I go update you.
Okay, bros.
I know na place now. I can't check on you now.
Take her.
I'll take again. Aye.
Moz. This time it's not going to be easy. Just relax.
Babe.
Yes, honey.
Where's what I asked you to get for our visitor?
I'm coming.
Bro, she dey come.
Moz. Thank God this time he owns a house.
Bro, that's my babe.
Your girlfriend?
Our wife. Come greet me now. How are you?
I'm okay.
See
Sit down for in your lap. That's the door.
Babe, are you normal? Come on, get out of here. Are you? And you? You overstayed your welcome. You may leave, please. Leave, please. Oh, God, come back from my house. Come. Let me see you off. Follow me. Come on, let's go. I'll deal with you.
I was just trying to play a daddy.
Oh, God, play a daddy waiting with my food. Rubbish. Oh, yeah. Leave my house. Get out! Hands off. Hey! Put your eyes.
Oh my God.
You don't forget to visit her. Now you come visit me. Now my house you.
You're so big.
Next time you will learn the hard way. Whenever you're saving somebody out
Oh
of
my
your
God.
house, you don't leave before them. You be at your doorstep and push them away. So that we don't hear story that much. Voila.
Who is the guy? This guy?
Yes, that's the guy.
This guy?
Yes.
Hey, who goes you? I say who goes you? You know the year?
You don't know why it's going on.
Who goes you the laugh?
Wait, hold on. So, for this economy, you see the friend who goes with.
You don't chop. Come take money, make you go find Gary. What be this? Blood of Jesus. Jesus.
What?
Let's have it.
If it's Tuesday, don't chop today. Babe, don't disturb me. Just they go house. I'll come meet you later. I'll go find my daily bread.
Daily bread.
Women are scorpions. They are vampires.
Subhanallah.
Sorry, don't. Oti
Oga, where are you now? I've been waiting for long. Where are you? Please, Oga, be fast. Who this rider safe?
Hello, fine girl.
Who be this one? I'm blocking Papa.
Can I meet you?
Hey.
Who is this blood body?
Do you live around here?
Wait.
Wow.
This one a street girl. Never mind.
Come back.
Say the eyes, they pay me and they waiting me.
Put your number here.
This time is by fire by force.
You think it's a joke?
I'll be down at whining.
We
In
must
fact, na serious relationship me I want sef.
stay and
In fact, I don't
it will
trust you. Let's do block covenant
be
here now.
Oguki!
Do you want to kill me or what?
Tu sais, na play.
And it's running into what slow motion.
How they meet me? I
beg, guys. I don't feel the follow now. They go to that location now. I beg. Now I don't do serious relationship now like this now. I want focus on my girl. You understand? When I go enjoy, I beg.
Baby, who was that?
Babe. Now this my guys. Back then. That was before we met now. Get one Olusho center where we go like this, one location, Olusho, they carry Olusho every night. Now one Mama Ogombo side, one Mama Ogombo joint.
Mama Ogombo.
Yes,
You won't stop talking
The one around Timmy
before
Junction.
you indicate yourself. Okay.
Wonder. Wonder you look familiar when we met.
I said, does it mean you are one of these polo show in the building? Don't touch me. The guy is surprised. Never start. There are a lot of things for you to know that. Yes, I will.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Look at the way he's dancing because you came to give Valentine gifts. Your mate are giving cards. You're dancing.
How much is money?
I swear.
My lord.
Jesus.
I go shout my baby.
You actually wasted a lot of time. Honestly. Wasted a lot of time. They thought to leave.
Please don't give up. Have you heard what I said? Please don't give up. Some people believe that we today we will be like.
This is a play.
Exactly. Now Ugu be this one.
Where Flower still doing is now Flower turn to Ugu now.
Guy, every time they follow, they come date, now they fuck up. Come on, they go.
Soup the ass.
No, bias. Ajay, you bad. But now what up for food the house? Ajay.
I'll never be.
Since Valentine work, let's go and eat. Not come and keep myself.
Brother. You know, say mama and papa travel. If they don't travel, you know that around. I don't know where you waka go because I need it for give the money. So they carry the money, give me. Okay. And as they travel, they don't tell me when they will come back.
Of course.
You know, say nothing they has, no food they has. So we need to buy things, put for the house.
Okay.
And now the money there with me. So I don't know.
Well, I true. That day when they travel, I know day. But it's good as they give you the money.
And I mean hold on like this.
So see what thing will happen now. As if you say Gino no there and Gino go school. Just find one small picking. Give her the money, give her the list. May help us go market, buy the food stuff, sharp, I beg.
So the list is inside the envelope, everything is inside the envelope.
Very good. So what you go do now? Just find one small picking around. Yeah. Send them. Me go to market, sharp, I beg.
I'm laughing ahead.
Okay, brother, hold on. Brother, I better go buy the things for market too. You can be the only small picking what they see. Do fast.
Your elder brother is now the small picking. I need to check this.
But wait, I look like small picking.
They asked me my father. So guys, you won't tell me you never enjoyed this comedy video. You won't tell me that you did not laugh, guys. So guys, let's forget about this. Let's dive into the review of this comedy. I'm going to be reviewing some funny scene and I know you will like it. So guys, let's go into these details. Why is it that if one thing buy for Libros, another thing will buy him? Nothing good is actually taking in. Nothing good. Always nyash. Doesn't mean that funny bros cannot just buy for something good, like preaching the gospel and something just happened to him and he buy. No, it must be all about nyash. And look at him now. Someone was going to knock on their own. Just pass your own and go, but funny bros say lie. He just went straight. You want to see something, and the thing has seen him. So guys, I think Nasboi is actually doing a great job in the comedy industry. One thing I love about this guy is that he has a lot of characters, different characters. He can actually act any character you give him to play. That is why I say he is the best, like one of the best comedians in Africa, not only in Nigeria, but in Africa as a whole. So I really love Nasboi, the way he acts and the way he demonstrates his kind of character. So guys, let's jump into this one where this guy was seen, as in Star Prince was seen in this video actually explaining something that is going on and that's still going on, like still happening in this country, Nigeria. One thing about Nigerian people, when you're doing something in low key, they'll think you are not trying, like you've not achieved anything, like you're just a rascal, a wayward boy, roaming around the street, but if you start doing like showing off, people will say, hey, this guy has money, this guy might be do good. That is what Nigerian people want. So, but this comedy, this guy is actually trying to let you know that no matter what you do, no matter how you keep a low life profile, no matter how, make sure you try to sometimes show some of your achievements, like post them, let people know that you are trying, because if not, people will start molesting you, just like Star Prince. Star Prince actually, listen to his friend advice and put all the money in his in order for him put all the money in his building project, like trying to raise a building or that he will call home. But at the end of the day, after the money finished, when he tried to like, let me get one girl by my side, maybe at the end I can get married to her. But this girl starts insulting him, telling him so many things because he was actually looking tattered. And there's one woman that actually got him provoked to an extent that he starts, showing the little he has. And I really love what he's trying to like explain, what they're trying to like act in that comedy. It is not just a comedy, but it's a comedy that's trying to emphasize on how people, will see you if you keep low profile. But if you start like showing off, sometimes it will be better. It will be better, honestly. But showing too much will make people start saying that this guy is a show off, they form, they do this, they do that. But when you sometimes post, people will know that you're trying, not just keeping a low-key lifestyle and thinking that people will know your worth. People will not know your worth though. I've told you what I want to tell you. And this Wasiu of a guy, Wasiu is something else, honestly. Had it been, this is how courts operate or more. A lot of people, in fact, all Nigerians will be one or two court members, honestly. They will join if court actually give food like this. I believe that is why our brother here Wasiu wants to join. But at the end of the day, he valued food more than his life. Even when the raid court tried to escape and called him to come and join them so that he can disappear, Wasiu saw food and quickly go for food before joining them. But at the end of the day, they quickly, disappeared before Wasiu could join them. So Wasiu was like, and he was still bold and confident to ask them, "Do you have spoon?" That is where the comedy comes from, actually. That was where the comedy came from. And this last part is worries. Wait. What was he trying to do? So you came into another man's house trying to somebody's wife. You tried to. But at the end of the day, thank God the man was a soldier and he came in and saw you, but you switch. You switch form, like you started behaving like a pastor, automatically you got the Bible. I wonder where the Bible came from. I wonder. And this guy actually, tried to pray and even have the confidence to tell the man to go down so that he can lay hands on him. But as he was trying to do that, something fell. What was that consistory? And everybody was like amazed. Waris, you, Pastor Naki. And that stingy boy, cool prince, who is it for real? Doesn't mean that I cannot give 1 naira to anybody. If this guy die, he will take his money to heaven. He will take everything to heaven, the way I'm seeing things. There is no day has ever given anybody a dime. Even to render help, you will go and do the worst help ever. Someone has running stomach. All you could do is to run into a bush and get leaves. Ha! If you are friendly such person, I beg, run. Don't say I didn't tell you. Run. You see, in this comedy industry, SK and Rookie and Motel, they are actually going to go far in their career, honestly, because this guy pattern of comedy is actually, different. I've not seen anybody, doing that kind of pattern, honestly. But if you see SK and this Rookie's pattern, they are something alike. I don't know who copy from each other, but I believe Rookie, copy a little bit from SK because SK first came to limelight, honestly. So let's leave that for now. Let's talk about Motel. This guy Motel is the only one doing this pattern of comedy. His style is his style. His style is his style. He's one of a kind. Nobody's actually copying him. He's just doing his thing, and he's the only one that can, act this kind of comedy, and everybody loves it because of that. If you want to blow, or if you want to go far in your career, never you imitate or never you do like anybody. Just try to be yourself. Create something that no one has ever done. By so doing, people will start loving you, because if they want to watch that thing, you are the only one that can provide it for them. There are some kind of comedy you want to watch and you just want to keep entertaining yourself with it. So you just switch. If it is Rookie you want to watch, you watch them. If it is Motel, you watch it because you go straight to what you want, because you know that this person is the person that has this kind of skills that can only give me what I want in this content. And Motel is very great in owing debt, like deceiving this other guy, his guy, to pay him money. Meanwhile, all what he said was a lie. Was big lie. Imagine telling your friend that they gave you money or something like that, and at the end of the day, the person you said they even shared money to was with him, and that person at the time, no say that person don't tell us, they don't give us any money, and at the end of the day, mission aborted. They abort the mission sharply because they don't fit. And SK, I love one thing about SK, the way he does his face while acting, and Rookie as well. The way they demonstrate, the way they do things, the way they're angry, the way they switch mode. It's very hilarious. It is very, very hilarious. And this guy that acted with Rookie is actually doing great thing. I know a lot of you don't know him, but he is doing great job. Like, I always laugh when I watch his comedy. I always laugh because he's very good. He's very good. So guys, in this video, I would like you guys to comment and let me see your favorite comedian. Just comment your favorite comedian, or you can also say the next comedy you want to see on our next video. Just list it and also comment where you're watching from. You're watching from Gambia, you're watching from Zimbabwe, you're watching from Cameroon, you're watching from Nigeria, you're watching from anywhere. Just comment it in the comment box below so that I will know how to strategize this comedy and make it better and balanced for all of you guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching this comedy video, and I believe you enjoyed this one. So guys, don't forget to share this video to all your social media platforms, and also share it to all your friends out there. And don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to turn on post notification bell immediately you subscribe. That will make you see more of our video whenever I post it, and YouTube will notify you immediately. So guys, without further ado, we're going to see you guys on the next update. Have a wonderful time.